Here's the chart of gold. That's the daily, and we are going to jump to our scale, and it took quite a knock. It took quite a knock, which sits perfectly with my idea that we are now in the E leg. If you remember, I was working with this idea that we are in a lateral movement, oscillating this way, and I had this as an ABC. This ABC is over, clearly, and now we are down for another ABC. Now, in terms of how long it's going to take and how far it's going to go, we have to go by the history of this movement. It doesn't guarantee that we're going to get excellent proportion derived from that, but we don't have something better. Yeah, you can see here we started here 30th of June. We topped just recently, 22nd of July, so you figure this is several weeks. We should see gold, if my idea of the ABCDE is holding. 4th of April probably didn't end here. We're going to see gold finding support, or expected to find support, at around 32.80, 32.40. The best thing that could happen is that we go through, and I think we're coming close to the end of the A leg. So imagine this is like what we had here. We're coming close to end the A leg, and we'll go for the B. That's the best thing that could happen to us in terms of trying to understand the pattern. If Mr. Market could draw for us a perfect triangle around here, that will be, in a way, a gift for us, because it will tell us we are indeed dealing with an ABC that could very well be the last leg, the E leg. Okay, anything like that with a nice triangle around here finding support, basically you get a mirror image of what we have witnessed here. Yeah, that'll be ideal. And what is interesting, if you look at the ABC right here, the D leg, look at how the B looked like. Look, A, B, C. We also had this mess in the middle. We had this mess in the middle, and then it popped. It gave what it had to give on the C. The upside here wasn't a lot, wasn't really comparable to the A, but that's what it had to give. And we had the same replay here, but on a smaller scale. Why? Because the pattern is a triangle that is slowly narrowing to a certain level of strong support, which at this point in time, I think is going to be around 32.40, 32.80, if I'm right. It will not fall by a lot under this level, shouldn't really. Dipping slightly under 32.40, 32.50 will not kill the wave count, yeah, the pattern, but beginning a consistent fall and stagnating between my horizontal lines here, the red horizontal lines, that's not a good sign. Okay, that means a different pattern is in play. So overall, the next few weeks could be challenging for gold, for the metals, but what comes after that, if this reading is correct, is going to be nothing short of spectacular. Okay, let's have a look at silver. Silver is also coming under pressure, and I begin to wonder if my fifth leg is actually not finding its end right here. Yes, because I told you this could be a 1-2, but it could also be a 3-4, relying on a 1-2 popping up here. Further fall in silver short term would confirm that. It will go easily to 38, could even go to 37. Yes, and we'll take it one step at a time. We'll see how that's going to evolve. Right now, it appears that gold is the leader when it comes to the correction that is unfolding. Now, let's have a look